Hello, beautiful people. My name is John Mark Shaw, and I'm speaking to you today from Madison Square Park in New York City. It's a beautiful spring day, and I'm here to talk to you about 3 steps to ignite the change in your life that you would love. Step 1, design a crystal clear vision. In the absence of a vision, the only thing that you can create will be a repetition of your past habitual patterns. There's a great saying that says, "No wind is favorable to the sailor with no destination in mind." Through the power of intention and the physics of transformation, we can set an intention and broadcast that intention into the quantum field, and that will set up and organize a magnetic field which will organize the molecular structure of time and space into the results that you would love. So step 1, a crystal clear vision. Step 2, make a committed decision. The level of your commitment and your decision is directly proportional to your results. If you want something that you would love, if you want to create change, more money, more love, more freedom, more adventure, more healthfulness in your body and energy in your body, you have the vision, which is step 1, and then you decide and you make a decision. This is important. In the absence of knowing how it's going to happen, you invest the energy of your committed decision. Once you make a decision, then providence moves too. As W.H. Murray, the great mountain climber, once said, providence, meaning the energy, the quantum field, the universe, spirit, God, it will move again according to the magnetic field of your intention, with the addition of a committed decision. Step 3, invest your energy. We live in a universe of energy. As Einstein said, we live in a universe of energy. Everything is energy. It can be no other way. When you match the frequency of the reality you want, it must be yours. This is not philosophy, he said. This is physics. So when we invest energy into a committed decision, and how do we invest our energy? We invest it with bold action. We put a lot of energy into taking the steps that we can take. We ask ourselves, what is one step I can take to move in the direction of the relationship that I would love? To move in the direction of the business that I would love? To move in the direction of the health I would love? Well, I can sign up for it, even if I don't have a lot of resources. I can sign up for a dating app like Match.com. I can join a gym. I can create a business card, and I can get a website. I can take the steps I can take by taking bold action. I can make the phone call to pursue the opportunity. I can also invest with my passion, with my passionate belief, my energy, my enthusiasm into this vision and the commitment that I made into it. And I can also invest with my time by taking time, spending time, taking action, thinking, designing the vision, asking myself, what is one step I can take? And yes, I can invest my money. Money is just another form of energy, and when we invest large amounts of money, just like when we invest large amounts of time, large amounts of passion, large amounts of passionate, persistent action, and large amounts of our attention, investment of large amounts of energy moves more energy in the quantum field. It's the physics of transformation. So the more we invest energetically into our vision, the more that will move the energy and organize the molecular structure of time and space into the form of the vision for what we would love. So step 1, design a crystal clear vision. Step 2, decide, make a committed decision. And step 3, invest your energy. My name is John Mark Shaw. Please check out my website at johnmarkshaw.com, and I love to serve you to help you grow. Have a great day.